Are we going to see inventory levels go up in 2021? And how will this affect the market? Hi, I'm Tristan Campanella with Home by Tristan, and in all the years in my industry, I have never seen inventory levels this low ever. What does that mean for a seller and a buyer? Lower inventory levels cause home prices to go up because home buyers are in bidding wars over the list price. So this causes homes to increase at higher levels. It's great for sellers, but it makes so much more difficult for buyers. Lastly, we've had as many as 15 offers or more on our properties we're listing, which makes it so hard for buyers to have their offer chosen, but allows sellers to choose the term of their contract that are most favorable to them. Sellers are taking factors such as down payment, type of loan, contingencies when they choose their offer, so buyers are having to come in as strong as possible with their offers. However, the median age of an owner-occupant is about 57 years old. We've been told by health professionals that the older you are, the more at risk you are with the virus or having very serious complications. So many older Americans have waited to list their homes. This is one of the crucial factors that has led to the lack of inventory. So I believe that inventory levels will go up once again people are feeling more comfortable with listing their home because they aren't as fearful of getting sick. Also, CoreLogic predicts the turnover rate, the percent of houses that sell in 2021, to be higher than the 20-year average turnover rate. I hope this was helpful. Be sure to search our YouTube channel for all our real estate predictions for 2021. I'm Tristan Campanella, Home by Tristan. Please reach out to me anytime and let me know how I can help you.